Sup, pimp? It's Sparty. Fortune. Riding top down today. It's a really fucking nice day. I don't really bring out the convertible that often. I don't like to put miles on it. However, it's too fucking hot to ride in a normal car. So, had to bring out the convertible today. I don't like to put miles on, as you guys know, which is fine. However, I'm in New York today. I had to tow the convertible because I didn't want to add the extra miles on, so I had to tow my convertible all the way over to my friend's house, and then, I flew down, but I had to tow this, and I'm going to probably tow it back, or maybe I'll leave it here. I don't really know. I'm probably going to tow it back home, but it kind of sucked. I don't really like getting on flights. I'd rather drive long distance, not too long distance, but I'd rather anything within 4 hours of me. I'll generally drive there. I like to clear my mind. Long distance rides clear my mind. I know they cost more in gas and tolls and everything to probably drive your car and back, but I'd rather drive than fly. If it's over 5 hours, I'm probably gonna fly. But that being said, let's get to the point of the video. I was yesterday or 2 days ago or earlier this week, talking to one of my clients, Anik. Now, Anik is a badass. He's a fucking high status dude. We know that. But he had a question on asking his girl out, and if he ran into her, if it was all right to ask her out. And I said, obviously, of course, it's okay to ask your ex-girlfriend out if you're vibing with her. If you're fucking vibing with her, then it's cool. It's okay. But the big worry that he had was, what if she says no? What if she says, fuck no, I don't want to go out with you? Okay, how would you be able to respond to this? This is going to be a quick video. So, if your ex-girlfriend says no to hanging out with you, you have to be fucking chill about it. You have to actually be chill, because the majority of guys, what they'll do is say, oh fuck, she doesn't want to see me ever again. Oh my god, and then they'll bug out, they'll get all jittery, and just fucking go home, get their fucking tub of Ben & Jerry's ice cream, sit in their covers, watch the Titanic, and wishing that was them with their girlfriend. And that's not what you're gonna fucking do, because that's not how we roll on Team fucking Fortune. Hell fucking no. If a girl says no to us, your ex-girlfriend, you ask her out and she says no, shit's vibing, you say, hey, we should catch up sometime. Let's see where we're going. If she says no, you don't fucking overreact. You don't fucking overreact. You act natural about it. You stay cool. You stay calm. You stay collected. Calm, cool, and collected. You just say, oh, all right. Give me a call if you change your mind. Don't hesitate to call me. What that tells her is, you're not chasing her. She has to make the first move. She has to invest in you. You've opened the door, and you've basically told her, I'm open to seeing where this could go again. If you want to, and your fucking next relationship doesn't work out, or the guys that you've been seeing or whatever aren't cool, they're not floating your boat, give me a call. I know I'm fucking high status. I know I'm a fucking beast. I have fucking options. I'm not worried if you're not going to be in my life. I will find someone else if you don't want to be there. If you say that, that's what she's going to think, and that's the fucking truth. You're a high status dude who can get any girl he wants. Any girl. You study game, man. You can do whatever the fuck you want. You can do literally whatever you want. Therefore, she has to have that fear. And the truth is, you being able to say that, it just shows that you're a man of character. You're a catch. You're a catch. You know shit's gonna fall into place. If she doesn't want to be the perfect girl and she doesn't want to be the queen to your fucking kingdom, fuck it. You'll find someone else. Everything fucking works out in life. Everything fucking works out. And if she doesn't want to be that fucking missing puzzle, fuck it. Someone else will be it. And it's the truth. It's the fucking truth. Now, here's an extra point. I say this to people who ask and worry about what they're going to say, and worry about her saying no. If you're worrying about her saying no, you're not being fucking confident. And if you don't have confidence, that's not fucking high status. That's not alpha behavior. You can't worry about what she's going to say. You have to assume that she's going to say yes, because she should say yes because you're high status. And if she says no, it's her fucking loss. It's her fucking loss. Okay? So don't worry about it. If you are worried about her saying no, you have no confidence, and that's not attractive, man. It's not fucking attractive, so it's very fucking important to keep that confidence. So any of you guys who are like, when your ex hits you up, and this should happen anytime. If your ex-girlfriend hits you up, or you run into your ex and shit goes well, you want to ask her out. You're the fucking man. You have to make that move. If not, she's gonna put you in the friend zone, or she's just gonna be your texting buddy, and then you ask her out, eventually you grow the fucking nuts to ask her out, and she's gonna say no. Okay, she's gonna flake. And it's not a big deal if she flakes. It's not. If she says no, it's not a big deal. You want to be calm. You want to be cool. You want to be collected. It's that. And then when and maybe she says no, okay? If she says no, fuck it. You're still fucking chill. She's gonna see that. She's gonna see that you didn't chase after. She's gonna see your fucking high status and you didn't overreact. And then she eventually will hit you up. Again. And then you can ask her out again. And you can keep fucking playing this game with her until she says fuck it, alright? So don't fucking get embarrassed. I'm sweating, sorry. It's fucking hot out. I probably should have the roof on with some AC. But don't fucking bug out about this shit, man. Don't fucking bug out. She's gonna you just tell her, okay, fine, whatever. And she'll hit you up eventually. She's eventually going to hit you up. And then you can ask her again. And eventually she will finally give in to you. She can't help it. You're too high status for her. You're too charming. You're too good looking. Your dick's too big. You're too sexy. You're on Team Fortune. Come on. All right, I'm out of here. Peace.